Of the day when we bring you the closing details of trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange. My colleague, markets editor, Effiong Ekop, joins me live here. Well, Effiong, I wonder what the markets are saying.
We are trading in the negative territory and we are closing the week lower. What it means that index down 3.2%. It means that investment, the prices are down. So investors and companies, they are losing values on their investments because of low prices. These prices are coming down because of a number of reasons. Basically, they are economic in nature. You had talked about exchange rates, you've talked about inflation, and so many other issues. There are the things that fund managers and investors, consider, and then when they do analysis, it affects investment. For this time around, we've seen that the encouragements, that's what we call incentives in playing the markets, they seem to be drying up in the market sectors. So much that many of them want to take away money from their investment by selling, their holdings to get money currently. One, the level of inflation that we are seeing, which is almost hitting 20%, is frightening and threatening, those who do money. And so you find out that if you do investments or even savings, if you are not very careful, at a certain point when you want to take money out of that investment, you get up losing everything because the value of what you get of your investment cannot afford you any meaningful thing. So that's the situation that we are. So investors generally are being nervous about the economic situation and the conditions under which they play. And so we see the elements now push majority of them to take only a little amount, to the market. In other words, they reduce taking the level of risk that they want, to hold in the market.
I was just going to ask, we have the top gainers, Jais Bank, ICO, Academy, Dangote Sugar, UPDC, Real Estate Investment Trust. I'm wondering what these groups are doing differently.
In any trading day, there would be gainers, there would be losers. Sometimes you have so many of the companies, they line up on the losers trade, depending on the interplay of the demand of supply and so it then work out towards the end or the closing of transaction the particular day. The trading machines will collect and then aggregate what is happening. So if you have losers, you will certainly have gainers. The stock market is just like any other kind of market where you meet buyers and sellers. Yes. So the volume that they trade and even the type of companies participating, also affects all of this. So you cannot, the market goes up, steady, comes down, and move on. It's never static.
Absolutely.
So you cannot always have only gainers or only losers. Yes. There are interplays. What makes it worrisome is the level at which these companies are losing, then or are they gaining? If it is on persistent level, then you know that the market is really busting.
So we have to go now. So it's closing negative. The
Negative. Not only today, it's been negative
for quite some time. So hopefully it's the weekend. We hope for a better week next week.
We expect that. We expect that better things should come.
All right,
but generally, if you want to interpret, we still expect more of the negative.
All right, TVC's markets editor, Effiong Ekop, thank you so much for your analysis.
Thank you.